Wow. That's just bizarre.
By the boat dock.
I bet you could bench over there, James, and get your feet wet.
Court bench.
Oh,
Oh,
you
easily.
get your ass wet.
No kidding.